Hi, class. So this is Tyler Maley, assistant professor of mathematics at Marion Technical College, and I realize some of you may have a Chromebook or maybe not be able to download R onto your desktop. So I wanted to give you just a brief overview of a cloud-based option called RStudio Cloud. So you can go to rstudio.cloud to come to this website, and you can just click sign up to create a free account. It works a little bit differently, but not a whole lot different, and you can still use that for your R assignments. So I already have an account, so I'm gonna go ahead and just log in. Right. So then once you're logged in, a couple of things here. You can have different workspaces. So you can see here on the left it says your workspace, or you can click to create a new workspace. So you probably really won't have to mess around that, but if you're doing a lot of different projects, maybe if you're doing this for a career, it's just kind of helpful. You can kind of organize. So maybe you have one workspace that's called like math data, and then you have one that's like English data, or whatever way you want to kind of organize your work, maybe in some bigger groups. But for you guys, you can just save everything in your workspace, and then you can just click to create a new project. And this seems to take a little bit of time to load, so don't worry if it takes a while. All right, so just bear with me here. All right, so now it's downloaded. So now that it's downloaded, you can see that this part looks just like my videos, and you can still go in here and hit the the hashtag signs. And remember, the hashtag signs just mean that you're not telling R to do a command. You're just maybe leaving some comments to yourself, or what I had you do in the assignment videos. You could say, this is assignment number 1. And then your name, you could say your name just so I know whose document it is. Just a way to leave some text there just to have on the document. But then next what I had you do is, get your working directory command, and then you would get that, and then you would set your working directory, maybe change it to your desktop. That's maybe where it's kind of easy to do. But in this case, you can't change your working directory in RStudio. Your working directory is actually over here, all these files saved to your RStudio Cloud account, right? So if you want to upload a new data file, you're just going to go over here and we don't want to add a new folder. Hang on. We want to click upload. So we just click upload, and then you can choose your file. And I have a data set B on my desktop already. So then you skip over the get working directory, set working directory. So you just add the file over here on this side. Just upload your data file, and then you still need to name your data set and attach it. So you would say like data equals read.csv. And then we have data set b.csv, right, is what we want to work with. And then you would attach your data. Right? And then I could, type data, and it will, show me my data set, right? So in this file, there's just these values, right? So it's a multivariable, just linear regression, multiple linear regression data set. And then, you can still work through everything like normal, right? Like, so if I want to find the mean of the variable x1, right, I can do that and get that. And so I can get everything that I want to do like normal, right? So everything from there on is pretty much normal. And then in terms of printing this to a PDF, let me see how that works out. All right, so it turns out there's not a real easy way to print the R codes in like a PDF kind of format. So one thing you could do is you could take a screenshot, of the R codes that you did, and you could insert that in a Word document, and you could submit that with your assignment. Um, Another option that I found is you can share your RStudio work with someone else, and so I might investigate that a little more, and I'll send you like my username and things or whatever you need to be able to share that with me, just virtually, so I can view the codes that you did. But that's all I have. So if you're using this and have some trouble, just let me know. But it should work pretty much the same as the version that you download. All right, thanks.